Hi, Susie Valentine, Realtor with Century 21 Meow Realty. Please come join me in this beautiful house tour. Presenting an exquisite 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom residence nestled within the community of Spring Mountain Ranch in Riverside, California. Our spotlight today is on the KB Homes Sonoma model, enhanced with optional builder upgrades showcasing the epitome of modern living. Step into luxury with this sprawling single-story home, boasting an expansive 2,507 square feet of meticulously designed space, adorned with tall 9-foot ceilings throughout. The heart of the home is the great room, where recessed lights complement large windows, creating an inviting space to entertain and connect with guests seamlessly. The kitchen is a culinary haven, featuring stunning countertops, an elegant backsplash, and convenient USB charging ports. Stainless steel appliances, including an oven, microwave, cooktop stove, and dishwasher, elevate the kitchen's functionality and aesthetic. A standout feature is the walk-in pantry, offering clever and accessible additional storage. The center island, complete with a breakfast bar and pendant lighting, overlooks the backyard, providing a picturesque view alongside the single basin sink and dishwasher. This home provides comfort all year round, with heating and air conditioning. It also includes green features, such as dual-pane, energy-efficient Lowy glass windows and patio doors, water-conserving plumbing fixtures, a tankless water heater, and LED lighting. The dining area is bathed in natural light, thanks to a large window and a sliding glass door that invites the outdoors in, allowing you to bask in Southern California's radiant weather. The backyard is a haven for relaxation and leisure, offering endless opportunities to enjoy the ideal climate. If you're thinking of selling your home in the Southern California region and would like to be featured on this channel, please let me know. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and click the bell to be notified so you don't miss a thing. Step into luxury in the primary bedroom, a serene haven distanced from the other bedrooms. Sunlit and adorned with recessed lighting, this space is a symphony of comfort with plush carpeting underfoot. The ensuite primary bathroom is nothing short of an oasis. It's expansive and thoughtfully designed. As you step inside, discover a private water closet, offering a secluded space with its own toilet. The bathroom itself is a testament to indulgence, boasting a combination of a shower and a luxurious bathtub. Illuminated by graceful recessed lighting, it features well-appointed cabinets with a vanity and dual sinks, ensuring both style and functionality seamlessly coexist. A standout feature of the primary suite is the generously sized master walk-in closet. This roomy retreat accommodates both winter and summer wardrobes with ease, adding an extra layer of convenience to your daily routine. Experience the sophistication and practicality in this meticulously crafted space. If you're considering putting your Southern California home on the market, We'd be delighted to feature it on our channel. Reach out if you're interested in showcasing your property with us. And for all our viewers who love fantastic home tours like this, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. Now let's step into the well-equipped laundry room, complete with washer and dryer hookups and a convenient shelf for all your laundry essentials. The powder bathroom offers a touch of elegance with its essential amenities, including a toilet, a stylish sink, and a thoughtfully placed mirror, creating a functional and aesthetically pleasing space for your convenience. Now let your imagination run wild with this versatile flex room. This dynamic space invites you to tailor it to your heart's desire. It can effortlessly transform into a dining room, a cozy living space, a productive home office, a musical haven with a piano, a lively game room, or any other purpose that resonates with your unique vision. The possibilities are as boundless as your creativity in this flexible and inviting area. If you have a friend who loves model house tours, please share this video with them. And if you want to search for new homes like this, I'll put a link in the description below. If you're enjoying the video so far, please give it a like. It helps our channel and we really appreciate it. Now let's view the other bedrooms. The second bedroom is a sunlit haven featuring a welcoming window, plush carpeting underfoot, and the added luxury of a spacious walk-in closet, creating a harmonious blend of comfort and functionality. Now let's continue the journey to the third bedroom, where natural light streams in through the window, illuminating the room's carpeted elegance. The walk-in closet adds a touch of opulence, providing ample space for your wardrobe while maintaining a sense of organization. Step into the refined ambiance of the guest bathroom, adorned with thoughtful details. This space boasts cabinets for convenient storage, dual sinks for added convenience, a well-placed mirror, and a shower nestled within the bathtub, combining both style and practicality seamlessly. Finally, let's explore the fourth bedroom, a private retreat that combines the allure of a window bathing the room in natural light, the comfort of carpeted flooring, and the practicality of a closet, completing this cozy and welcoming space. Discover an additional touch of practicality in the hallway. A thoughtfully placed linen closet, providing convenient storage for both linens and essentials too. Adjacent to this, encounter a well-situated coat closet within the hallway, offering not only a space for coats, but also serving as an excellent storage solution for various items. There is convenient direct access to the two-car garage. Unfortunately, it was locked and inaccessible during our tour. Within the community, an HOA ensures a well-maintained environment, and residents enjoy miles of pedestrian trails and community parks. It also has amenities such as sand volleyball court, basketball court, and barbecue and picnic areas. Located near Loma Linda University Medical Center, the Mission Inn Hotel and Spa, and the University of California, Riverside, this residence offers a lifestyle of both luxury and convenience. Wasn't that home beautiful? If you enjoyed this video, you'll definitely like these two as well. And if you're in the Southern California area thinking about selling your home or buying one, either new or pre-owned, please give me a call, Susie Valentine, 951-907-4020. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.